Hey everyone, great news! Coursera is officially offering a free 1-year subscription to new users. Yes, it's true. However, there are a few tricks you need to use to get this offer for free, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First, ensure your IP address is from Mexico. You can use any VPN for this. Verify your IP by visiting whereismyaddress.com. Now, let's grab the 1-year offer. Open Google and search for Coursera. Visit the official website, coursera.org. Once you're on the site, you will see this kind of promo banner or similar one. Click on it. Here's the second trick. Once you're on the promo page, click on the URL and delete everything after the word special. Then, type the following text as shown on the screen. The final URL should look like this. Hit enter. Now you're on the official 1-year Coursera Plus giveaway page. Click on the Save Now button. Enter your full name, email, and set a strong password, then click Join for free. Solve the CAPTCHA when prompted. Wait a few seconds and you'll be on the Coursera billing page. You can see the offer has been applied successfully and the price is now $0 Mexican. Choose Mexico as your country. Enter your postal code and your credit card details. Once you've entered all the information, proceed to the Pay Now option. If you've done everything correctly, you'll get 1 free year of Coursera Plus officially. Here's the third trick. For a free credit card, check out our Telegram channel. Here's my profile, which I just created. You can see the subscription information and the expiration date clearly mentioned. One last important step is to verify your email. Make sure you do this before anything else. That's it. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more giveaway tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.